Welcome to our comprehensive guide on obtaining your contactless Nigerian passport right here in Canada. Let's explore its significance and how it simplifies your travel experience. First, let's understand the eligibility requirements. Are you a Nigerian citizen living in Canada? If so, you're likely eligible to apply for the contactless Nigerian passport. Now, let's dive into the application process. We'll guide you through each step to fill out the online application form seamlessly. You'll need specific documents to support your application. Make sure to gather your ID, proof of residence, and other required paperwork. Next up, let's talk about fees. We'll explain the fee structure and the various payment methods accepted for your application. Once your application is ready, it's time to book your appointment at the Nigerian High Commission. Here's how you can schedule it conveniently. During your appointment, biometric data will be collected. Don't worry, we'll walk you through what to expect during this step. After your appointment, you can track your application status online. We'll show you how to easily monitor your progress. Finally, let's discuss passport collection. We'll provide clear instructions on how and when you can pick up your new passport. To wrap things up, remember these final tips for a successful application. You're now well equipped for your passport journey. Best of luck.